In today's tutorial we are going to talk about the gathering stitch. Maybe you've heard of the term, but do you have no idea what that means? So think about a skirt that is gathered and onto a waistband, or a bodice of a dress and that's also has a gathered skirt. So often it is to do with putting a bigger item or bigger expansive material onto a smaller area, and you use what is called a gathering stitch. On your sewing machine you need to locate the button or knob or whatever to increase your stitch length. So we want to increase it to a 4, or as far as down as this one will go, which looks like it might be 3 on there. So that'll give us the longest stitch length. And then we put it under put the piece of material under the foot of our machine. We don't go backwards and forwards, because what we want to do is we just have a look there. The stitch is quite big, and then you grab one piece of thread and you pull it, and then you start gathering. You might need to go to the other end and do the same. And that is a very short explanation on what a gathering stitch is, but we'd have to go into a longer video to show you actually how to use that, but that will give you a good starting point.